Let's go racing! Let's go racing at the Bullring at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Mother's Day night begins with the Skidplate division. We are green and go, and the driver stealing the early lead is the X car. That is Greg Lee in the black X. Corner, he'll see the checkered flag in the right hand of the starter, Mike Reichert, and Greg Lee's going to win. He's going to win, and we'll wait till next month to punish him for this victory, but Greg Lee's going to win for the first time. RPMs are coming up. We're racing under the green flag here at the Bullring at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Boy, things tightened up there in turn number 3. Through 3 and 4, things settling down as Cody Brown looking inside of the 2 of Steven Brucker. Brucker credited with second on the lap number 1, and that's where the drivers pick up the green flag in the hand of the starter, Mike Reichert. And we are racing once again here at the Bullring. Oh, we got trouble, big trouble. In turn 2, red flag on the speedway. Rare for that driver, if you are so inclined. That was a hard lick. That was a hard lick. To the white flag first. See if anybody's going to challenge Tyler Riff tonight. 25 laps led, and a win for the 9 car of Tyler Riff. Tyler made that look easy, but I'm sure it wasn't. He was very fast from start to finish. Didn't really have to fight off any strong challenges, but tell you what, these guys earned every bit of their paycheck. A lot of them don't get paid with anything but hand claps, so throw some hand claps at these guys. Make sure they know they're appreciated as they take their leave of the racetrack. Over in turn number 1, model or Pro Late Model Racing, off of corner number 4. In the front row is the Kyle Keller machine, the 12 and the 19 of Kylie Ith. And so Pro Mods will be on the speedway. 40 laps is the distance. Kyle Keller, one of those ARCA drivers, leading the way, will complete the first lap as the race leader. The 14, Emilio Thompson, driving the white and blue number 14, bypasses Kylie Ith for the second spot. Move Kylie Ith back to third. Jaron Giannini right there to take third place away. Emilio getting kind of pinned to the bottom. Ooh, and we got a little Bullring. I was holding my breath as those cars navigated the first 2 turns, as Giannini now slips into the tire tracks of the 14 car and gives the 14 a little bit of a tap. They're exiting corner number 4. Gavin currently being credited with third. Battle shaping up for 4th. Oh, Kylie Ith and TJ Roberts getting together. Kylie was trying to shove the front nose of the 19 car into a very small piece of real estate down there in turn 3. Likely. So here is the checkered flag for Kyle Keller. Jaron Giannini second. The battle for third will be an all-Ray battle. Wave will shout if you're happy that he won. Clap your hands together.
Polish lap. There he is. Kyle Keller, your winner today. All right, Bud, good job. Good to see you back.
Infield will be racing up off of corner number 4. Little 3-wide battle headed for the back straightaway in the Bandalero car division. It was Wyatt Lane in the 21W who had the best starting position, and it's Wyatt Lane who is going to battle with the 86. That's Sienna Nuccitelli. And the Wyatt and 21W and the 86 of Sienna Nicchitelli are still door-to-door. Whoa, a little trouble for the 21 car of Wyatt. Sienna Nicchitelli into turn number 3. Will look up off the corner. She'll see checkers. The checkered flag flies for Sienna Nicchitelli. James Trimmer's going to come home second. Peyton Harbison, young lady from I think she's from Utah. Green flag coming. RPMs are coming up. Green is out. Green means go. It means go here at the Bullring. And they're going hard, headed to turns 1 and 2. As Vinny Rauchi is going to pull out to a lead. They'll bring Mike Miller with him in second spot. Never done. Good battle shaping up for the 4th spot, though, as Rob P. improved. Rob's, I believe, a 2-time winner here in 2024, but don't quote me. Rob, Vinny Rauchi Jr. coming up off the corner. He's got the checkered flag in his sights. Checkered flag flies for the 911 machine. Vinny Rauchi Jr. May the 4th be with you, Vinny. 64, they'll start in row 3. The green flag is displayed. Green is out. Green and go. 25 laps the distance. We'll race to turn number 1, and the Kaisers are going to come out with the top 2 spots in the field. As Kyle Keller in the white, the red, white, and blue number 4 Camaro, looking to advance. He's not wasting any time, trying not to get stuck. Is Kyle Jacks in the 4 car. The 18 car. Oh, we got trouble over in turn 4. That's the 45 Don Geary. Kyle Jacks hanging strong on the outside. Headed to turn number 3. Fred Jr. has not raced many laps with us here in 2024, but that was a pretty strong move coming up off of corner number 4. That is not an easy turn to get pinched down to the bottom, and you can see the 1 car want to drift up the speedway. So father and son now racing door handle to door handle down the back straightaway. Kyle Jacks got a front row seat for that father versus son battle. Super striking distance. Can't really put a fender on him just yet, but Jason Kaiser's going to open up the inside lane for Colton Ray. Those two bang fenders off of turn number 2. Give Ray the inside. Coming up off of corner number 4 will be Colton Ray out in front of Jason Kaiser this time. Coming up off the corner, double checkered flags for the 18 car of Colton Ray. May the 4th be with you, Colton Ray. We're going to be racing off corner number 4. Green is out. Green and go. Modifies. Roaring to turn number 1. Keep your eyes on the black and white 4X machine. Doug Ham, the 9-time champion, had to start at the tail end of the field after swapping a motor, not swapping a motor, getting rid of an inoperable motor and putting a operable new motor in that race car. So this is his second motor, and we've got a tangle over in turn number 4 between the 29 of Sam Jacks and the 6 of Brian Williams. Start for the 0Z, but he'll drop into the 3 hole behind the 4 of Doug Ham. And it's going to be wild, I think, in the back just a little bit as the 29 and the 6 car a little bit quicker than the rest of the field. Ben Williams in the 24 watches Brian in the 6 and the 29 of Sam Jacks to go flying by. White flag about to come out for almost as if it was preordained. It wasn't. That was Completely a coincidence. Identical laps. Ben Williams, Sam Jacks, points leader back there, stuck in fourth. We'll see what happens. A lot can happen in 4 laps. We will see what happens. Sam Jacks is going to go to work on the 6 of Brian Williams. Those two are door handle to door handle for third. Coming up off the corner, Doug Ham still in trouble. Oh, we got trouble. Trouble as the 29 car loses the handle, slides. Yeah, there's some bumping and banging going on unnecessarily. Motor swap seems to have worked out quite well for the 4X car. He'll take the second podium position.
There you go. All right, for Kyle. Back in victory lane. Last time you were here.
9, Keaton Harbison, and the 2 of Parker Heffel. Green is out, green and go. And they're like almost 3 wide. They're coming off of turn number 2 momentarily. 3 cars nose to tail. Down low, the 98 of Brendan Tracy. Trying to hold off the 2 of Stephen Brucker. Those 2 cars will take the low line into turn number 1. Andy Holsey in the 13 car slips to the high side. Lets faster traffic pass to his left. That's where we find the 9 of Tanner Rife. Tanner from started 8th and now is up to 2nd spot. Going close. Sometimes they make a mistake and capitalize on. That's what happened right there. The 9 car capitalizing on a mistake takes the lead. Brucker shuffled back to 2nd. Oh, we got a car on the back straightaway. School off of anybody. Why not go to school off of Cody Brown? Cody, again, national champion in the pro class. Knows the fast way around this speedway for sure. Good battle for the lead shaping up front. Tyler Rife had it. Stephen Brucker wants it. Stephen is going to open up the inside lane for Cody Brown. Now it's Cody Brown and Brucker battling for the lead. Moves Tyler Rife back to race side by side with the 98 of Brendan Tracy. Checkered flag flies for Cody Brown. Steve Brucker's going to claim the 2nd podium position. And then the 3rd spot's going to go to the 19 of Jimmy Sloan. It'll be Jaron Giannini and Kyle Keller. Rounding out the field, Dave Campoverde and David Fountain. Green is out, green and go, 40 laps. 40 laps for pro late models. Keep your eyes on Kyle Keller in the 12. He started 8th on the grid. He's going to have to pass 7 cars to claim both late or pro late model features here at championship round number 5. The 71 now kind of lining up. The brothers Ray, the 71 and the 18. Going to keep the 24 pinned up high. Up front, it's the 19, though. She is Kylie Ith. She is from Utah, and she is the only lady in the field tonight. She's the only young woman. Kylie Ith, Jaron Giannini, Kyle Keller, still single file. A driver who probably has a lot more seat time than nearly everyone on the racetrack. And Kyle goes to the inside here on lap 34. Kyle is dropped to the inside. He's going to swing past the 19 of Kylie Ith. Kylie drops down in front of the 25 of Jaron Giannini, 24, TJ Roberts. Coming up off the corner, checkered flag. Congratulations to the 19 car team. When your ticket of admission becomes a pit pass, she will tell you about it, what she's been through the last 6 to 8 months.
How about that race, Curtis? I know Kyle won, but did we get a heck of performance from Kylie Ith in that run?
Elizabeth McKenzie in the 17 27, Mason Albright. Round out the field of 10. Green flag displayed to the field. We are green at the Bullring. White flag is out. Sienna Nicchitelli, the race leader. James Trimmer making a run at, trouble off at turn 2. Trimmer and Harbison are going to get together. And Nicchitelli 2 times. Color Sienna 2 times. 2, 1. Let's go racing. Star Nursery Championship round number 5. Mother's Day night at the Speedway at the Bullring. This is your final. This is the finale of championship race number 5. For the moms, I give you the skid plates. (6W) Ben Williams, 4X Cecilia Dilly, X Greg Lee, and 84 Fred Kaiser. Oh my word. The 1W slowing the advances of Lee and Williams. Some all alone like the chess club president on prom night. Jeff Daly in the 83 is your winner here in main event number 2 for the skid plate division, and celebrate with them. So here is the winner of race number 2. That is Jeff Daly climbing out of that race car, Tom.
Yeah, Jeff's working some equipment under his car right now. I think he picked that up on the way, but good to see Jeff Daly back in the victory lane. You know.